According to court papers, Meghan Markle felt unprotected by the monarchy. Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, felt unprotected by the institution of Britain's monarchy and was prohibited from defending herself against negative media coverage when she was with child. The UK news outlet's agency has made a report citing court documents on Thursday. The documents reviewed by the Press Association and the BBC were prepared as part of Meghan's lawsuit against the publisher of the Mail on Sunday newspaper and Mail Online website over articles that reproduce parts of a letter the Duchess wrote to her father a few months after her 2018 marriage to Prince Harry. Meghan is seeking damages from the Mail on Sunday's publisher for alleged misuse of private information, breach of privacy, and copyright infringement. The publisher, Associated Newspapers, denies her claims. In court papers reportedly filed after the publisher's lawyers requested further information, Meghan's lawyers described how her relationship with the British media had deteriorated by the time excerpts of the letter appeared in print and online in 2019. The claimant had become the subject of a large number of false and damaging articles by the UK tabloid media, specifically by the defendant, which caused tremendous emotional distress and damage to her mental health. Referring to interviews that 5 of Meghan's friends gave to People magazine last year, the Duchess's lawyers added, as her friends had never seen her in this state before, they were rightly concerned of her welfare, specifically as she was with child, unprotected by the institution, and prohibited from defending herself. In the People article published in February 2019, the friends spoke out against the bullying the royal said she faced. Following a preliminary hearing in London in May, a judge struck out parts of Meghan's claim against Associated Newspapers, including allegations that it acted dishonestly, by leaving out certain parts of her letter to her father. The judge also struck out allegations that the publisher deliberately stirred up issues between Meghan and her father, and that it had an agenda in publishing intrusive articles about her. The publisher has denied all of Meghan's claims, and she is suing for breach of privacy and copyright infringement. No trial date has yet been set, but details are continuing to emerge from legal negotiations between the parties in the case. It has also been stated that the wedding generated £1 billion. Her friends had never seen her in the state that she was in, considering that the media was putting out various articles about her and that she felt unprotected by the monarchy. In the court papers, Meghan's legal team also argued that the security costs of her wedding to Prince Harry in May 2018, which were paid for by the public purse, would have been far outweighed by the tourism revenue it generated, which they put at more than £1 billion. The Duchess is seeking damages, which she has said will be donated to an anti-bullying charity, from the Associated Newspapers for allegedly misusing her private information, causing copyright infringement, and breach of the Data Protection Act. Following a preliminary hearing in May, a judge struck out parts of Meghan's claims. He also dismissed Meghan's claims that the publisher deliberately stirred up issues between her and her father, and that they had an agenda of publishing intrusive or offensive stories about her. The Associated Newspapers wholly denies the allegations and says it will hotly contest the case. This has been a review of Meghan Markle's ongoing court case suing the Associated Newspapers for breach of copyright, breach of privacy, and breach of the Data Protection Act in regards to them publishing a part of her letter to her father in 2018. She has stated that she felt unprotected by the monarchy, and also that all that was published about her affected her mental health, especially because she was pregnant. Claims have been denied by the publisher. And of course, a trial date has not been set. However, you will be provided with all the necessary updates on this international case as it progresses. Now remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is your place for primary news reports and entertainment reviews. Leave your subscriptions. We crave your subscriptions and we crave your feedback. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave your comments down below.